The Supreme Court of India keeps a check on arbitrary power of the Parliament in amending the Constitution. Discuss. Critically. Those saw words, thus marks. Introduction. The Indian Constitution establishes a parliamentary system that combines federalism with unitary features. It is the supreme law, meaning any law that conflicts with it is void. While Parliament can amend the Constitution, this power is limited. The Supreme Court acts as the guardian and interpreter of the Constitution, ensuring that Parliament does not exceed its amendment powers. Body. Parliament's power to amend. Article 368 grants Parliament the authority to amend the Constitution. However, Parliament cannot change the basic structure of the Constitution. This principle was established in the landmark case of Keshwananda Bharati vs. State of Kerala, 1973. Role of the Supreme Court. The Supreme Court ensures that Parliament's power to amend the Constitution is not misused. The basic structure doctrine protects certain fundamental features of the Constitution from being altered by amendments. Instances of Supreme Court's intervention. The Supreme Court has struck down amendments that violated the basic structure. In Minerva Mills case, 1980, it annulled parts of the 42nd Amendment, asserting that the limited amending power is fundamental. In Indira Nehru Gandhi vs. Raj Narayan, 1975, it declared part of the 39th Amendment unconstitutional, as it undermined the Constitution's basic structure. Conclusion. While Parliament has the power to amend the Constitution, the Supreme Court ensures this power is not used arbitrarily. The balance between Parliament's ability to adapt to societal changes and the Supreme Court's duty to protect the Constitution's integrity is essential for India's democracy. This relationship continues to evolve, influencing India's constitutional and political landscape.